Frustrated by the Ac1st24.dll error causing your professional tools to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. This DLL file is an internal library for AutoCAD version 2021. It manages the initial load sequences and foundational resource mapping required for the design software to initialize its core drawing and modeling subsystems. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by performing a fresh reinstall of the affected software. Reinstall the current official version of Autodesk AutoCAD to replace the Ac1st24 and refresh the program's runtime files. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Ac1st24. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like the Ac1st24.dll in your System32 folder. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for the Ac1st24 library references. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Autodesk AutoCAD, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.